Hi everyone, I just want to very quickly just take you through the book that we will be making at the Super Sweet Craft Retreat, the first weekend in October in Stafford. The retreat is full, so there's no more spaces left. However, this book will be available to buy as a kit, and all of the parts of the class have actually been filmed, so they're all ready to go. So just to take you through very quickly, the book itself is 9 by 7.5 inches. It's quite thick, as you can see. It's got 4 pages, but it's designed to be a bit of a pop-up book, so it is quite solid and thick. Oh, glue. So the front is kind of like a tunnel where you're looking through with the animals. The papers that we've used are actually 2 different pads, both by Craft Consortium, a British company. One called Little Fawn and the other one called Over the Hedge. And I chose these 2 deliberately because the Over the Hedge is a nice, bright, colourful set of papers, but I needed the animals from the Little Fawn, so that's how we came to use 2. Now, if you are attending the retreat or you're going to buy the kit, you've actually got 2 ways to do this. I've used the brighter papers in my tunnel here, but my original one I did with the lighter papers, so it's entirely up to you, you know, how you choose to do this and the look of your book. But there we go. So looking inside, as I said, the book itself is 9 by 7.5 inches, and it's a pop-up book. Now, as it stands at the moment, it's not completely finished, and the reason for that is so that anybody who's attending or making the book can kind of make it their own. So there is a lot more space for add-ons, for photo mats, for all sorts of things, so don't be surprised if there's a few kind of spaces in the book. We have an acrylic title here, Woodland Tale, and those are completely exclusive to me and this kit. We've got on the side a space for our charm to go, and Mel will be teaching a class to make your own charm in the retreat, but we'll make up the charm for you if you're having a kit, if that's what you want. Otherwise you can do it yourself. So this is the front of the book. If you open it up, what we've got here is a very simple sort of accordion pocket here. It's extendable, and then here a very simple flag book, which I will show you how to make. But as I said, with this one, you know, there's an awful lot of spaces here for you to add on extra bits and do your own decorating. I don't want to kind of give you too much. I want you to be able to make this book your own. Now on this page here we have got a bit of a pop-up, a bit of a slider card there, so I don't know if you can see that. We've got our little animals in the forest there, and underneath here we've got a couple of photo mats as well. Turning over the next page, we have got an accordion fold out for our photographs and a magnetic closure. And then over here we have got our little deer in the forest. So when you open this up here, pull on that bit there, what you get is a kind of a diorama, for want of a better description. Some of the flowers are on acetate, so they're a little bit wibbly wobbly, but we have got our little deer, 3 of them there, nestling in the woods. Turning it over, once again, this is a space, like I said, where you've got room to do your own thing. I've put just a flare button on here inviting people to open it, because once you open it you'll see that we have got this pull out space for 4 3x2 photos there, but there's lots of space around for you to add journaling or extra bits, whatever you want, and it's not going to be a book complete without a moving waterfall. So that's what we've got there, because I just love them. So turning on to the next page, what we've got here is we've got some space for our photos here and here, and then here we've got a magnetic sort of metal here with our little wooden shapes, so that we can just put them on, move them around, do whatever we like with them, and they are going to stay where we put them. Finally here, what we've got is a little sort of final push-up card, just to show you there. We've got our animals and insects playing in the forest, and then finally on this side, once again, the accordion pull-out pocket, which we can fill with, you know, whatever we want to, whether that be photo mats or another of the flag books, you know, whatever we like. So that is the book for the Super Sweet Craft Retreat, which as I explained, is taking place in Stafford the first weekend in October. If you want to have some information on the kit itself, there are a limited number available, and I will be putting up some information about that in due course, but they will go out to people the week after the retreat, so that will be the second week in October. Okay, thank you very much for listening, and I'll see you all soon.